Hi, this is Megan with Beadaholique, and today I'm going to show you how to finish bead embroidery that has an inserted textile piece. So what I'm talking about is if you want to insert a piece of fabric or ribbon or some other kind of textile into your bead embroidery between your foundation and your backing to attach it to something else, you can still stitch an edging onto it. As you can see, I did on this side already. I just did the basic beaded edge, which we do have a video on how to do that. And I did that all the way around, and then I took it across where I have this ribbon sandwiched in there. So I want to show you how to do that, because that way you can use it for putting ribbon in to make a bracelet or a choker, or I put in long lengths of ribbon here to make this into a waist sash, into a belt. So I just want to show you, it's very similar to what you do when there's not something inserted, and you do need it to be a textile that you can stitch through. So you couldn't do this with something coming out of here that is rigid or solid that you can't stitch through. So I've been doing my basic beaded edge around the piece, and I've been alternating between two different colors of seed beads. So what you're going to do, if you don't know how to do the basic beaded edge, go ahead and watch that video first. You will need to know how to do that. So what I'm going to do is, once I come to the edge of my ribbon, I'm going to go ahead and add a bead, just like I normally would. And the big thing here is to hold your ribbon out of the way. Don't let it fall behind and get folded. You want to make sure and you hold it straight, and you want to hold it away so that it's not going to get bunched. So if it's loose like this and you don't go through the very edge, it'll end up being puckered and bunched. So hold it flat and straight, and you're going to insert your needle through the top, just like in your regular edging. And I think I have one more here that's going to be outside of the ribbon. So one more that I'm going to do just like normal. Okay, and now I'm getting to the point where if I tried to do that, it's going to start bunching my ribbon over. So you would do this just the same to start. You get your next bead. You're going to go down through the top. And then you want to make sure that you're coming out not too far from the edge, but that you are getting your backing piece also, catching that with your needle. Okay, now pull this down almost tight, just like if you're doing regular edging. And now what you're going to do is, holding your ribbon out, you're just going to take your needle and you're going to go right back to the front, directly above where it's coming out of the foundation or the backing material. Just go right through the very edge of your ribbon. And when you come up the front, then you're going to go through that bead the same way you do for the edging when you don't have a textile in there. And pull tight. And this will lay on top of the ribbon. I'll show you that again for the next one. Just go ahead and grab your seed bead like normal. Hold your ribbon straight and out of the way. Go down through the top, through all the layers. Make sure you get the backing. And the only difference between this and the regular beaded edge is that then you need to come up through your ribbon. So flip it over. Go up right above where it's coming out. Right at the edge there. And then pull it tight. So you can see it's exactly the same thing. You just need to make sure that you stitch back up through the very edge of your ribbon. And I'll show you one more time. get your bead, go down through the front, and then hold your ribbon straight, and you're going to just go, let me hold that different, right at the edge of the ribbon, right above, and back up through your bead, just like you normally would. And as you can see, it's going to lay your edging right above your textile, and the back is still going to be secured, and it's going to be nice and neat and tidy, and you're going to have your textile very securely embedded into your piece. It's going to be a lot neater and more secure than if you tried to attach this after your piece was finished.